What was that sound just now? There was definitely no one else home but me. What are you talking about, bro? Ah! Oh my fuck! Oh shit! I saw an arm. I saw something. Did you see that? Oh no, that's messed up. That's all sorts of messed up. Fuck off right now. What was that? There's only one door in here. Is that a door? Shit! Shit. Is that my Uncle John? You called me. I can't move my body, so I can't check my phone.